Children, let us look at another important cotton textile center, that is Osaka. It was an important textile center of Japan, and it is also called as the Manchester of Japan. Now, how did this become an important center? Let's look into the geographical factors. First, it's similar like all other places. It had an extensive flat plain land where it was suitable to build these cotton mills. Then it had warm humid climate which is suited for spinning and weaving, and water was available from the river Yodo, and labor was easily available there, and there were port facilities to import raw materials for exporting textiles. Now, the only difference between the textile mill of Ahmedabad and Osaka was that Osaka was completely dependent on imported raw materials, and raw materials came from Egypt and India, China, and the US. And the finished product was mostly exported, and it had a good market due to good quality and low price. Okay. But today, despite being an important textile center, today we see that this industry has been completely replaced by other industries such as iron and steel, machinery, shipbuilding, automobiles, electrical equipments, and cement. So now we see it's no longer the Manchester of Japan, because it has been replaced by many other industries, mainly because it was completely dependent on the raw material from other countries. Whereas in Ahmedabad, we had locally, we could get the raw material, that is cotton, locally in and around the area, because the entire belt had black soil, which so very suitable for growing cotton. So raw material was easily available in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad mills also have declined, not due to the raw material, but due to not upgrading their mills according to the new technology. Children, let us study about another industry which is called as the sunrise industry. This kind of industry was not known earlier, and it is now gaining rapidly, and everyone wants to join this industry, that is IT industry or information technology. Now, what is information technology industry? It deals with the storage, processes, and distribution of information. And we see the main factors which are guiding the location of the industry is wherever resources are available, the cost is efficient, and where we can have infrastructure. And today we see two IT industries, the major centers of the IT industry. First started with Silicon Valley, which is in California in America, and then we see in Bangalore, which is also called as the Silicon Valley of India. Okay, so we'll study about California and Bangalore. Now let us look at why Bangalore was chosen as the IT hub, and it is called as the Silicon Plateau, or it is also called as the Silicon Valley of India. Okay, it was mainly selected due to locational advantages. Let us see what were the locational advantages. There are a number of educational institutions and IT colleges in and around Bangalore, and the city today it is very polluted, and lots of traffic jams takes place. But when it was established, it was considered dust free, and low rents and low cost of living was there. But now today everyone is now, whoever wants to go into the IT industry lands up in Bangalore, so it has become very crowded. And another advantage was that the state government of Karnataka was the first to announce an IT policy in 1992, and this was the reason why many IT giants wanted to establish their office in Bangalore. So we see Microsoft, Google, all of them have their offices in Bangalore. And the city also has the largest and the widest availability of skilled managers with work experience. So many people, in fact, if you ask anyone who's working in the IT industry, he must be working in Bangalore. So there is a lot of skilled labor, and this has led to becoming one of the IT hub of India. Okay, and that is why it is called as Silicon Plateau or Silicon Valley of California. Now let us see the locational advantage of the Silicon Valley, which is in California, and how that developed, because it was closest to one of the most advanced technological and scientific centers of the world. It has a pleasant climate with an attractive, clean environment. There was plenty of space for development and future expansion, and it was located to major roads and airports and had good access to markets and skilled workforce. So that is why California also became an IT hub in North America. Yes, and this is the reason that is why we call this name was given to California Silicon Valley, because all the IT giant companies are located there. Now let us see on the world map where is California. So you can see here is California, United States, and India. You can see here that is Bengaluru, which is also called as the Silicon Valley of India, and this is the real Silicon Valley, that is California. So we have compared almost similar location advantages for setting up the IT industry. Look at the cotton textile mill set up in Ahmedabad and in Osaka. You can see Ahmedabad here. All of you know Ahmedabad. Yes, and it is called the Manchester of India, and Osaka here in Japan. This is Osaka, where it is called the Manchester of Japan, and there were two important centers where cotton textile mills were set up earlier, and both have the same locational advantage. Now let us see the iron and steel industry. You already know Jamshedpur, which is in India. Here is Jamshedpur, and there here is Pittsburgh in United States, which was known for the iron and steel industry. And both have the similar locational advantages.